Hi, we're making pies at Orson Gygi today, and I want to share with you two of my favorite professional tips for the perfect apple pie. You'll want to pick out some really good apples that will bake well, but also taste well after they're baked. One of my most favorites are the gorgeous pink ladies. You can't go wrong with those when baking. Second, you're going to prep them and get them ready for your pies. So this is one of our favorite tools. It's an apple peeler core slicer, and it'll get everything ready for your apples. So this is going to correctly slice them all in the same diameter, and so that they will all bake correctly. Here we are peeling it, coring it, and slicing it in a simple step. And now they're ready for your pies. You can take these and just slice it down this side right here, and you can do another cut to get it depending on how big of a slice you want. But these are perfect slices for your pie. You'll take that and put it in your favorite ingredients, flour, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and get them all ready for your pie. And here we've got a little pie all ready for us. But before we put our apple pie in the oven, we want to make sure that we've got a beautiful top on it. This is a lattice cutter that may look kind of simple and easy, but let me show you, it saves you lots of time for your top. So we're going to take our lattice cutter and we're just going to cut down our already rolled out pie dough. Those simple lines may look simple and easy, but we're just going to drape that over our apple pie. And from the height from the apples, it's going to create a perfect lattice on top. Just stretch that out. And now you've got your apple pie. Just give it a quick trim. Push your sides together. From there you can brush some egg or some heavy whipping cream, sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top, and it's ready to go in the oven. Happy pie making!
How genius is that? Heather, thank you so much. And those tools, those tips will come in great handy. The countdown's on, Thanksgiving a week away.